Hi, good family. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome in. So today I have a quick mail call for you guys. I attended the second annual New Year's Day block party hosted by Melodi Made, Mandalay Cards, and Creating with Sherry Jones. It was an awesome block party and I won a prize. The prize I won was sponsored by Marina's Creations. All right, let's check it out. So I received a stamp applicator. Cute. And it's pink, of course. And then I received some precision tweezers, a stamping buddy, a clear stamper, and another clear stamper. And then she also included this little burlap bag. I remember her saying that, maybe someone else can use it because she had it for a while and couldn't use it. Thank you. Super cute. Thank you to all the coordinators of the block party and also to Marina's Creations. Until next time, good family, drop seeds of hope, knowledge, and nourishment. Blessings.